Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited you're here because today is a fun video. We are going to be talking about my absolute, hands down, favorite tote bag. If you follow along on my Instagram, I am at Megan Kingsford over there, PS. You will see that I use this bag all the time. This is the Wallace large metro tote in the color magnet. And check this out, you can like fold this bag up so small. It's this great quilted nylon that's water resistant and crushable, rollable, all that good stuff. And it is so lightweight, meaning it is extremely comfortable to carry around even when I have it loaded up with all of my mom stuff for my 3 kids. So I have taken everything out of my diaper bag that I've been using for the last couple of weeks with my 5-year-old, my 3-year-old, and 1-year-old. As you can see, there are a lot of baby items. I have swim diapers, regular diapers, wipes, all of that stuff, but I also have a lot of smaller items. So even though this bag is basically like one very open, large pocket, I'm gonna be able to organize this perfectly fine thanks to the different pouches that this bag comes with. There are 3 different ones, big, medium, and small. And so I thought it would be fun and helpful to show you how I pack up this bag for a day, week out with my kids when we're running around doing errands and drop-offs and pickups, all the normal stuff. Okay, let's do it. Whew. Okay, now let's do it. First, I'm gonna set aside the main bag, and I'm gonna start with this large pouch I have, and I'm gonna use this, let me think. I usually use this pouch for all of my diapering essentials. First, this is the changing pad I like best. This one's by 12 Little. It folds up super compact and is also really lightweight and machine washable. So I'm just gonna throw that in here. Next, I'm gonna take my 2 size 5 diapers. My little girl is in the middle of potty training, my 3-year-old, hallelujah, blessed be. And so this diaper will fit her in an emergency, but mostly those are for my 1-year-old. I'm also gonna throw in 2 swim diapers just in case. It's already warming up because it's May in Texas, and so these are gonna be handy if we come across a splash pad or the little one just, you know, needs one. And so I'm gonna put those in there as well, and I still have a good bit of space, which is perfect for my wipes. This is like a big Pampers pack, but I need them all the time, forever and ever. So all of that. And the last item I'm gonna throw in here with the diapering supplies is these little trash baggies, good for diapers and disgusting moments. And then all of that fits in there perfectly. Onto my middle-sized pouch. I'm gonna use this pouch for snacks and miscellaneous baby-related items. For example, this is a like burp cloth by Aiden and I. I'm also gonna toss in baby's moccasins. This is a packable bib. So I like the other one to clean up like messes and stuff like that, but this one's actually for, you know, eating. So I'm gonna throw that one in too, and I still have a good bit of room. I always have to keep some kind of snack with me, and I like to pack something that's good for everybody. So here's 2 little bags of goldfish. And because obviously I used my diaper bag yesterday, we normally would have these in there as well, but we ate them. So these are just little apple sauces, and I'm gonna put those with everything else in here. And now this is pretty much full, so I'm gonna zip it up. And now I know to reach for the medium one for basically all things baby / snacks. Okay, setting that off to the side, moving right along. This is the smallest pouch, so I'm gonna start with all of my stuff. I have 2 lip glosses that I always carry with me, and then I have one of these little scrunchy hair ties, and then I'm gonna drop these in. These are little Chick-fil-A mints, individually wrapped, which are excellent bribery for my kids. I'm also gonna throw in a little bit of extra bribery should things go really awry. You can never have too much, in my opinion. And then this is all that I really want in here because I want it not to be too stuffed. That way when I go to grab for my own things, I don't have to like shuffle through a bunch of items. So this one is all packed up for now. At this point in the packing process, I am left with quite a number of smaller items. And I'm gonna show you how I use the organization that comes with the bag, that's like built into the bag, to take care of keeping track of all of those littler items. So this is in the back of the bag, and it is 1 pocket, and you're like, okay, yeah, you could just throw stuff in there, but actually there are 2 slip pockets in the pocket. So it's really more like 3 pockets in one, which I love. I'm gonna take items that are kind of medically-ish related, like hand sanitizer, and drop that into one side of those 2 pockets. So I have hand sanitizer, Neosporin, teething gel, and sunscreen. And then I'm gonna take this other side and throw in boogie wipes and wet ones and those fit perfectly in there. And then I also carry like a little sunscreen stick, and that fits in there too, no problem. And now I have kind of this like larger main portion of the pocket, and in there I'm going to put pacifier wipes and my son's extra pacifier. You should literally always have one of those stashed in your diaper bag, I believe, because they drop them and then they're screaming in their car seat and you're like, where did I put it? Always have one that you know where it is. And now I can also take this little Band-Aid case and put it in there as well. This is now like the inside of the front of the bag. So 2 more pockets, and I like to put my sunglasses in one of those. You know what? I'm actually gonna trade something. And that is my, where'd it go? That is my hand sanitizer. I'm finding that with the 3 kids and touching everything and kids museums and all that, I'm needing that a lot more frequently. So I'm gonna actually switch this. I have a $20 bill I need a place for with the zipper, and so I'm gonna throw that back in there, turn the bag back around, take my hand sanitizer and drop that into the other pocket. And now there is a key leash on the inside of this bag. I'm gonna go ahead and snap my keys on. At this point, the only 2 items I have left are my phone and my wallet. So I'm gonna take these 2 items, and I'm actually gonna be able to take my phone and just drop it in behind the hand sanitizer in this bigger pocket. And now comes the part that I just love about a oversized tote bag, and that is called throwing stuff in. So wallet just gets tossed in. I'm not gonna have really trouble finding it because everything else I have is put into the 3 pouches, large, medium, and small. Just get tossed right in. Now, I know some of you are gonna ask to see inside this bag, so let me tilt the camera down and give you a bird's eye view of what it looks like all packed up. Now I'm gonna show you how this bag looks on the body so you can get a good idea if the large Metro Tote is a good size for you. This bag also comes in the ever popular medium size, but my life is a little hectic, and that's why I decided to go for the large. Hey, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this video was helpful. If you're looking to purchase an MZ Wallace bag and you have a question, just leave it in the comments below. I usually almost always try my very hardest to get back to those as soon as possible. But you can for sure also DM me on Instagram. I am at Megan Kingsford over there. And if you search hashtag MeganLovesMZW, you'll see a bunch more photos of me using this bag and a really similar bag they also make called the large Sutton. I'd love if you follow me over there as well. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video soon. Bye!